If you're thinking about investing in 2025, you're not alone. More people than ever are using the stock market to grow wealth, and with the rise of AI, new tech, and global shifts, there's a ton of opportunity if you pick smart. So let's break down 5 of the best stocks to buy this year, even if you're brand new to investing. 1. NVIDIA, NVDA. Let's start with the stock that everyone's talking about, NVIDIA. They're not just making graphics cards for gamers anymore. NVIDIA is the backbone of AI. Every major AI company, from OpenAI to Google, uses NVIDIA GPUs to power their models. Their revenue has exploded thanks to demand for AI chips, and they're expanding into data centers, autonomous vehicles, and robotics. Even at a high share price, investors still see upside because AI demand is just getting started. If you want to invest in the future of tech, this is it. 2. Apple, AAPL. Apple might not sound like an exciting pick, but in 2025, it's quietly becoming a massive AI player. With the rollout of Apple Intelligence, they're adding AI into iPhones, iPads, and Macs in a way that's clean, simple, and user-focused. They're also expanding their services revenue. Think iCloud, Apple TV+, Apple Pay, and the App Store. This means Apple's not just a hardware company anymore. It's a subscription machine with brand loyalty no one else can match. It's a great balance of safety and growth. 3. CrowdStrike, CRWD. Let's talk cybersecurity. As more businesses go digital and AI becomes more integrated, the threat of cyber attacks is growing fast. CrowdStrike is at the front of the pack, using AI-driven threat detection and prevention tools for businesses, governments, and even critical infrastructure. They've had strong revenue growth, high customer retention, and they're expanding globally. If you want a stock with long-term potential and relevance in an increasingly digital world, CRWD deserves a look. 4. Tesla, TSLA. Controversial? Maybe, but Tesla continues to dominate headlines. And it's more than just EVs. They're developing autonomous driving, humanoid robotics, energy storage systems, and even AI chips in-house. Their Dojo supercomputer is built for training AI models and could unlock entirely new revenue streams. While the stock is volatile, Tesla has a massive fan base, innovation edge, and first-mover advantage in multiple sectors. If you can handle some risk, TSLA is a growth stock worth watching. 5. VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Let's say you don't want to pick stocks. You want something simple and safe. VTI is your go-to. It tracks the entire U.S. stock market, thousands of companies, and it's one of the most popular ETFs for long-term investing. It's low-cost, diversified, and historically delivers solid returns, perfect for dollar-cost averaging, especially if you're just starting out. You won't get massive gains overnight, but you'll grow wealth consistently over time. Final thoughts: remember, investing isn't about guessing the next meme stock. It's about finding quality companies with strong futures and holding them long enough to see results. Do your own research, start with what you understand, and if in doubt, ETFs like VTI are a powerful way to stay in the game without all the stress.